Alright folks, mark your calendars. Rumor has it that Samsung is gearing up to fully unveil the brand new Galaxy S25 Edge on May 13, with sales kicking off May 23 in China and Korea, and then hitting the US and other markets on May 30. And guess what? Thanks to a fresh leak, shout out to the always reliable Evan Blass, we just got a sneak peek at what looks like a draft of Samsung's official press release, and honestly, the S25 Edge is shaping up to be a total stunner. Here's the quick scoop. This phone is ridiculously slim. We're talking just 5.8 millimeters thin, and super lightweight at 163 grams. But don't let its sleek frame fool you. Under the hood, it's packing serious flagship power. Samsung's clearly going all in on making something that's both ultra-portable and beastly when it comes to performance. A combo we don't see too often these days. Blass says the S25 Edge will rock a titanium bezel and the new Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 for extra toughness, so it should survive the daily grind without a problem. Style-wise, you'll get 3 slick finishes to pick from: titanium icy blue, titanium jet black, and titanium silver. And performance, it's bringing the heat. Samsung's apparently squeezing in the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, the same one used across the whole Galaxy S25 lineup, so expect buttery smooth performance. Plus, it's coming with One UI 7 and some fancy new AI tricks. As for cameras, the S25 Edge could be packing a massive 200-megapixel rear sensor, likely the same one as the S25 Ultra, with OIS and a 12-megapixel selfie cam up front. Not bad for such a slim device. Now, here's the slight catch. Rumors suggest a 4,000 mAh battery. That's a bit on the smaller side for a powerhouse phone, so heavy users might want to keep a charger handy. Price-wise, you're looking at somewhere between $10.99 and $11.99, but official pricing hasn't been confirmed yet. Fingers crossed Samsung keeps it reasonable. All in all, the Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be a seriously tempting option, especially if you love sleek designs but still want top-tier performance. So, what do you guys think about the S25 Edge? Drop your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear what you're most excited or skeptical about. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and stay awesome.